Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Excel and loading the Gulab Guru template or a blank workbook with the correct sheet names. Once done, enable macros and set calculation to automatic so formulas update instantly. Make sure to locate the clearly labeled input cells and named ranges. These drive the sheet. Next, enter a small sample data set to test logic and watch the dependent outputs change. This confirms structure before you proceed into building formulas and automation steps that follow. Now you construct the workbook logic. Start by converting ranges to structured tables for dynamic references. They expand automatically. Then implement core formulas, prefer XLOOKUP or index match for robust lookups, and SUMIFs for conditional totals, because they handle changing ranges reliably. Add helper columns to simplify complex calculations and apply data validation to inputs to prevent errors. Finally, use conditional formatting to highlight anomalies. This makes debugging intuitive and keeps the sheet maintainable. Finish by protecting sheets and locking key cells so users can only edit inputs. Document assumptions in a cover sheet. Once done, run final tests with realistic datasets and use evaluate formula to step through problem calculations. Make sure to save a backup copy and, if needed, export a PDF for stakeholders. If errors persist, check calculation mode, inspect named ranges, and verify formulas referencing other sheets. A quick fix is to press F9 to force recalculation and resolve transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.